What's up, guys? Just wanted to show you this piece we're working on this week. It's a really cool desk. Um, Probably somewhere between the 1940s, maybe up to or back down to the 1920s. I think at some point someone has done an admirable job at kind of giving it a refresh, but they didn't completely do it correctly. That's okay. We're gonna not restore, but refinish this piece. Make sure it has some more life left in it. It's really beautiful. It actually has the hardware in the drawers. They were loose, so I just put them in there. This is actually walnut and gum wood, and I can say that with confidence because on the tag here we've got a walnut veneer and gum with a walnut finish. Haven't decided if I want to stick with that same finish, but we'll see. One thing I see new finishers do a lot, a mistake, is they don't pay enough attention when they're sanding. And you can see that big swirl going through there. That'll actually show up when I put stain and finish on this. And obviously you don't want that. Sometimes it can be really bad. I've seen it where it's all over the piece, and you really have to keep an eye on your sandpaper. You know, if you're sanding and you see that happening, look at your sandpaper. Chances are that old finish has gunked up on your sandpaper, and you need to either get that off your sandpaper or get new sandpaper. And then you have to make sure when you go back and sand that you go and get those swirls out, because it looks very unprofessional if that is in your final finish. Whenever you're sanding your clear coat, you want to look for those shiny spots and keep sanding until they're gone.